perpendicular, parallel and intersecting lines. The figure below is an illustration of a fence. Can you see the different lines that compose the fence? The fence is composed of horizontal, vertical, and diagonal lines. Line A and line B are horizontal lines. Line C and line D are vertical lines. Line E and line F are diagonal lines. The pairs of horizontal lines, vertical lines or diagonal lines are example of parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that will never meet, never intersect and always the same distance apart. Parallel lines composed of two lines that are not necessarily of the same length. This is the symbol used to indicate parallel lines. So we can say that line G is parallel to line H, and line E is parallel to line F. Perpendicular lines is formed when the horizontal and vertical lines meet, and a square corner or a right angle is formed. These lines represent perpendicular lines. Study the two lines. What can you say about lines A and C? Lines A and C intersect at point O and form a corner. Those lines are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines intersect and form four right angles. Study the two lines. What can you say about lines H and I? Even though line H and line I are two separate diagonal lines, lines H and I is a perpendicular lines that intersect at point O and form a four-square corner or right angle. This is the symbol used to indicate perpendicular lines. So we can say that line H is perpendicular to line I. Intersecting lines are a set of lines that meet at one point, but do not make a right angle or square corner. Take a look at line C. A vertical line and line E, a diagonal line. Line C and line E is a intersecting line that meet at one point, but do not make a right angle or square corner. This is the symbol used to indicate intersecting lines. So we can say line C intersect line E. Let's try this activity. Identify all the perpendicular, parallel, and intersecting lines you see from the figure below. What are the parallel lines? Line segment AB is parallel to line segment DE, and line segment AD is parallel to line segment BE. What are the intersecting lines? Line segment AC is intersect to line segment AB. Line segment AB is intersect to line segment BC. Line segment AC is intersect to line segment BC. What are the perpendicular lines? Line segment AD is perpendicular to line segment DE. Line segment DE is perpendicular to line segment EB. Line segment EB is perpendicular to line segment AB. Line segment AB is perpendicular to line segment AD. Remember, parallel lines are lines that do not meet. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect and form a square corner or right angle. Intersecting lines are lines that meet or intersect but do not form a square corner. Activity 1. Match column A with column B. Write the letter before the number. Activity 2. Identify all the perpendicular, parallel, and intersecting lines you see from the figure below. Write the answer in symbols. Activity 3. Identify the kinds of lines referred to in the following. Write P for perpendicular, PL for parallel, and IL for intersecting line.